Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the setUTCMinutes method. So what it does, it gonna set the specified date according to the universal timeline. So let's think about a situation that you're creating an app for the airplanes and they need the UTC time. So what I'm gonna do is create a situation for that. So December 31 or 32 comma 1975 comma 23 15 and 30, and I'm gonna add the GMT plus 6:30. Now you're gonna ask which country is this. I don't think any country use this what it's called, the GMT, I guess. So if I now use the get UTC minutes method, it goes hand in hand with the set UTC minutes method. So if I do that, event dot get UTC minutes. So if I use this method, what the heck? So if I use this method, it gonna returns you 45. In this place it's 15, but it in the Greenwich meridian it will be 45. So so if you want always your app to be consistent, to be like universal, you need to use the set UTC minutes. Many people ask that why I can't use the set minutes. No, you can't, because you can't internationalize like that. It will be so obvious. So what I'm gonna do next is I use the event dot set what it's called set UTC, not YTC, UTC, and minutes, and you need to pass as an argument what you want. So 25. So when we done with that, it's gonna give you the 25. This is what it does. If you want your app to be consistent, glitch free, so use the set UTC for your internationalization app. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.